Hello guys, and today I will show you your mistake. Almost 1 month ago I told you how you can easily earn money from this B&B Mario game. Actually every week I created video about this game, and of course some of you invested with me, but a lot of people was scared and they didn't invest with me. Guys, I know that this is new YouTube channel and I have a little subscribers, but as you can see I have also my main YouTube channel where I have almost 2 million subscribers. So I'm not a noob and I know good ways how to earn money online. Okay, under this video I will leave the link to this game. And 1 month ago we invested on this game to earn money. As you can see I invested 4 B&B and now I have on my balance 2 B&B. It's around $530. Guys, it's only per 1 month and I did nothing. And 1 month ago I also invested on the Fire Mario. So as you can see I invested 10 B&B and I earned already 4 B&B. It's around $1,067 and I did nothing. This game just earned me money every day. Also this game B&B Mario, as you can see, after we invested on this game 1 month ago, he only increased all the time. So that means if something happens, the graphic will go like this and after he will fall to 0. But also all of this time, for example 2 months, we will earn money. So guys who listened to me and invested money with me, you can be sure that you will earn a lot of money from this game. Also guys, as you can see there is a lot of projects like that, but I and YouTubers are conducting project analytics. After we choose the best and safe project, and I told you about this project here. After that I and YouTubers promote this project, that's why he increased. So guys, subscribe on my channel because soon I will find you project. And obviously if you invest on the beginning with me, 1000% you will earn money. Okay, and to be sure that this is not a scam, so guys we just write here 28 B&B and click withdraw. As you can see this work immediately, so just click confirm. Now we have on our balance $10 and as you can see now I have $434. You don't need to wait until your money will go to your account. Also no one need to allow you to do this. This is your money and you can withdraw them whatever you want. Okay, also as you can see now I have invested 4.4 B&B. So 20% from my balance go to invested balance and another money go to my MetaMask wallet. Guys, now you can invest on this project, but I don't recommend you to do this. You can check it by yourself guys. Every video I told you invest on this game, invest on this game, invest on this game. But now this is too late guys. I just show you my results, how much I earned from this game and I will earn. But if you invest now, the graphic can go down and you will not lose your money, but you will earn nothing. So this is no sense now. Okay guys, when I find new project I will make video about him immediately. So subscribe on my channel to not lose this.